Looking for a powerful yet compact circular saw that fits right in your hand? We've tested and ranked the top mini circular saws, and today we're breaking down the best and the worst so you don't waste your money. Kicking off our list at the bottom spot is the Inequality Compact Circular Saw. It's a corded model that promises basic performance for basic needs, but it struggles to stand out in a very competitive category. If you're just dabbling in light DIY, this might get the job done, but don't expect it to blow you away. It comes with a 4-amp motor running at 3,500 RPM, which is decent, and the 4.5-inch blade lets you cut nearly 1.7 inches deep at a 90-degree angle. There's even a laser guide to help keep your cuts straight. It offers the standard 45-degree bevel and a dust port to reduce cleanup. But here's the catch. The brand isn't widely trusted, and there's no official weight listed. Users have also flagged inconsistency in build quality and durability. And when you're buying power tools, reliability is key. Compared to other options, it feels like a budget saw in every sense. If you're absolutely on a tight budget and just need something for occasional softwood cuts, it might be passable. But if you want more performance or peace of mind, stick around for better choices. And by the way, links to all the saws featured in this video with the best prices are down below in the description. Up next, we have the Yunirvana mini saw coming in just above the Inequalit. On paper, they look nearly identical, but the Yunirvana steps it up a notch in a few key areas. It's still basic, but it starts to feel a bit more refined. You're getting a solid motor, the same blade size and cutting depth, and it also includes a laser guide for added precision. It feels slightly more thought out, especially with its ergonomic grip and cleaner dust port. It's built for control, and that's a big deal if you're working with one hand or in tight spots. However, it's not perfect. At over 6 pounds, it's one of the heaviest in this lineup, which might lead to fatigue during longer use. Also, the RPM is still relatively low, so it won't power through dense materials like hardwood with much ease. If you're new to DIY or looking for a backup saw, this one gets the basics right and does it better than the Inequalit. If you're still watching, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart tool reviews just like this. Taking the third spot, we've got the Worx Compact Saw, and it's a solid leap forward in terms of power and cutting capacity. This one is fast, lightweight, and gives you a surprising amount of control for such a small tool. With a 4.5 amp motor running at 4,000 RPM, this saw is built to rip through wood fast and clean. What really sets it apart is the 2-inch max cutting depth. It's the only saw here that can go that deep. Add in the bevel function and dust port, and you've got a tool that feels closer to a full-size circular saw in a mini form. That said, it's not cordless, which limits where you can take it. It also skips out on a laser guide, and the blade changes require a hex wrench, which can be annoying if you switch blades often. Still, if you want performance and precision, this one punches above its weight. It's ideal for people who work on site near power outlets or in a workshop setting. Coming in at number 2, the WorkPro Cordless saw hits that sweet spot between price, power, and portability. This is where things start to get fun, especially if you're looking to cut the cord and go fully mobile. With 4,500 RPM and a cordless 20-volt setup, it's great for moving around the job site or working in tight, awkward spaces. It includes a laser guide, multiple blades, a dust port, and even a carrying bag. And with the 4.0 amp-hour battery and quick charger included, you're set for long sessions without stopping. Its biggest downside is the weight. It's a little heavier than some corded models once you add the battery. Also, the laser runs on button batteries, which is just odd, but that's really nitpicking at this point. And if you want a full-featured kit and the freedom to work anywhere, this saw nails it. It's perfect for DIYers and light pros who want a cordless solution without breaking the bank. And finally, taking the top spot on our list, the Skil Compact Saw. This is the one to beat, with premium features packed into a user-friendly package. It's powerful, efficient, and feels like a pro tool in a mini size. The brushless motor is a big deal. It not only hits a wild 6,000 RPM, but also makes the saw quieter, cooler, and longer lasting. Add in the LED light, electric brake, and USB charging battery, and you're getting features that just don't show up in this category very often. It's a bit bit heavier with the battery attached, and the bevel adjustment is a thumb screw instead of a lever, which slows you down slightly. But honestly, those are minor trade-offs. If you want the best mini saw on the market that feels like a full-size tool shrunk down, this is it. Ideal for serious DIYers and pros alike. All the top picks from this review are linked in the description below, so check them out to find the best deal. And hey, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more smart tool reviews just like this. See you in the next one.